In this tutorial, we will see how to install a package. First, let's create a downloads folder to hold all our downloads. With the folder created, let's go on to Chrome and search Sublime Text. Click the first link. In the Linux repos option, select the suitable one for your device. In my case, the first one. Now that it's downloaded, let's go back to the terminal. Change directory to the downloads folder. Show it content. Now we have out downloaded package. This package has the extension .deb and quad. In another video, we will see how to install packages with different extensions. So, we obtain administrative privileges and enter our password. To install a package with .deb extension, we use the command When the process is done without any error message, then package has been installed successful. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.